AP Bio. Today I'm going to go through what you're supposed to do for due on Wednesday, April 8th at 11:59 p.m. So here's our agenda. You hopefully got to this video by opening up this Google Doc on Google Classroom. And here's a link to the agenda that I'm going through, and these will be links when you're looking at it to the videos that I'm making right now. And so here we go. Agenda. So I'm going to go over some announcements and AP exam tips in this video. So announcements, I'm going to have a Zoom session on Thursday at 1:30 p.m. The link to join is right here in the agenda. I will also put the link to join on Google Classroom. I encourage you to join us. I'm going to be going over the AP exam updates and taking questions. I'm going to try to figure out how to record it, but I would love as many of you there as possible so you can ask questions live. Email me if you can't figure out how to get the link, but I want you to join. And then also linked here, I have the calendar that I'm using to guide myself in our last unit, our review unit. So that is here. So if you click on the link right here, it'll take you to this Google Doc, which is live. So I'm going to be updating it periodically. And so that can give you a sense of what I'm planning looking ahead if you're curious. And also here, I'm posting a whole bunch of review resources. So I recommend you check those out. More on that now. So some AP review tips. The College Board is having a lesson every day at 1 p.m. Or every weekday at 1 p.m. and they're super useful. I've linked them here, so that'll take you to this YouTube channel. I would specifically recommend the one I've linked right here because the teacher goes over one of the questions from Quiz 6.2 that most of you missed. So I think this would be super useful. And you just have to watch from minute 31 to minute 38. So that link will take you not there to here. It's this question that was on Quiz 6.2. Most of you missed this one, so I'd strongly recommend watching this video, just again from minute 31 to 38, where she goes over some common errors and misunderstandings, which were the ones that you guys tripped over as well. And then another thing I would highlight is there are, on the weekends, some review sessions being hosted by a group of AP Bio teachers from the Facebook community. For example, today I'm going to be going over Unit 1 super briefly in my next video, but if you want a way more detailed overview of Unit 1, if you click here, that will take you to this YouTube video where this teacher from Pennsylvania goes over Unit 1 in great detail. So as you can see, it's an hour long, so you can watch however much or little of that as you like. But also linked right here in white is a link to this, which gives you the schedule. So if you wanted to watch any of them live, you could by looking, this Saturday from 12 to 1 p.m., there's going to be someone reviewing cellular energetics. And you'd go to this link. Okay. Let's see, what else? Oh, one clarification. These units don't completely match up with our units. Like the number, so Unit 1, for example, we actually covered during our Unit 3, during our Unit 2, but it doesn't really matter. The content is all the same content, so don't get tripped up in the numbering of the units, just worry about the content. So today I'm going to be reviewing cell structure and function for you in video number 2. And let's see. Oh, the last thing I wanted to say is these College Board daily lessons. Maybe you don't have time to watch the entire lesson every day at 1 p.m. Totally understandable. But what I would recommend, again, if we go to the YouTube channel, is I would recommend watching at least the beginning and end of each video, because there they're going over free response question practice and giving you tips and tricks and exam sort of like strategy. And I would strongly recommend watching that, because that is the sort of thing that's going to be really useful looking ahead to the exam. Okay, that is it for video number 1. Stay tuned for video number 2.